This is the presidential fold. This is very simple and elegant. It's better if you have a hand-rolled square with this fold. You just fold your square over, fold the bottom up. This depends on the depth of your pocket, and put it in the pocket. This is the magic fold, and this is best for paisleys and printed pocket squares. You put it over your hand, push it down in, grab a hold of it, and you get all the color and movement in the paisley or the prints, and then you put it in your pocket. This is the points up fold. You open up your square. You take the bottom up to the right side, keep it close to the point. Bring the right side all the way over closely. Take the left side all the way over to the other. Fold it and put it in the pocket.